Today's IT pros juggle an average of 10 different tools just to keep their network and its devices running smoothly. Time to streamline and do more. Here are 5 reasons why every IT pro needs a LinkIQ Duo from Fluke Networks. Number 1. LinkIQ Duo can test everything. Network, power over Ethernet, Wi-Fi, cable. Test links, speeds, ports, PoE capability, and connectivity from the far end without going back to the closet. Number 2. Anyone on your team can use it. The touchscreen works just like your phone. Clear visuals make it easy to identify problems instantly. Number 3. You can make sure your network is ready for what's next. Qualify your cabling to IEEE standards so you know if your network can support multi-gigabit speeds or if you need to upgrade. Number 4. You can master your entire Wi-Fi environment without guesswork. See access points, signal strength, security settings, and channel utilization on one screen. Even new techs can quickly identify weak security, illegal channels, and interference issues that slow your network down. And reason number 5. You can document everything easily and store test results on the device. Even generate powerful reports with LinkWare PC. One device. Smarter IT. LinkIQ Duo. Cable plus Wi-Fi plus network tester from Fluke Networks.